Sadia Khan, a well known relationship coach, dating expert, and there are so many podcasts of her in which she is suggesting girls or a woman be a high value woman. But her authority questioned when her audio note gone viral and some of her text gone viral. You know, she charges for her dating advice from $100 to $1,000. You know, for a call session or a video call session. But she's she's in a relationship with an engaged man and wanted to be his side chick. Side chick. Do you know what do you mean by side chick? And making his fiance insecure that the person is mine, the person is for you just for the convenience, he loves me, and whenever I will say him, he will come back to me. You know, I wanted to be his side chick, I'm his side chick. And even some text says that she's with that man in an intimate relationship. With that engaged man, and she is even, I'm just shocked, she is even making his fiance feel insecure. What's happening? And yes, the voice note is confirmed by Sadia Khan and so many media houses that it's her. You know what's happening? We all the peoples, Sadia Khan is globally recognized and used to run a phrase or a quote, be a high value woman. And what's happening? She is in a illicit relationship with an engaged person. She is trying to destroy the love of people. And what the young generation who is following the advice of her is learning from you. But this is my I'm not going to criticize Sadia, but here, this is my spiritual channel. I am just talking about what is actually a high woman man or even a high value man, a person, values. I'm not interested in this controversy. I'm interested in redefining, not what Sadia Khan is telling. That what is the value of a high value woman or a high value man? There is no gender bias here. So, I'm not going to talk about all this stuff like be independent financially, be independent emotionally. That's we already know. Everyone wants to be independently emotionally, want to independent financially. That's everyone is telling you. But a high value man or a woman is someone who never goes to any relationship to a person who is engaged or going to engage or loving someone and trying to say I want to love him too, I want to love you too. What does that means? That a person who is loving, telling that I love my wife and I love my girlfriend also. What does that mean? That means a person is not satisfied. Is someone who is obsessed. Is someone who is actually not mature enough. And I don't know why Sadia Khan got melt to a person. So, a high value woman or a high value man don't create these kind of dualities like to in a double relationship, and not in a even double relationship, a engaged relationship, a relationship which is committed. You know why this happens? Because a person has not understood the meaning of relationship, and what you are preaching you are not applying for yourself. Whatever you are preaching, a high value person see with no filters, is neutral. He see without labels, without judgments, without images. For that, one person is enough. One person is enough. If the one person is not enough, then you will go wherever you are. The desires will never be satisfied. And in a relationship, a high value person is not, judged when he is in a happy relationship. He judged when there is a adversity, when there is a aggression, there is a violence, when there is a injustice. All the time, not the work will always be on the peak, the health will always on the peak. No, everything go highs must come down. So any person, may a woman or a man, is in the same position where she or he started. Is he not judging you according to your now the current circumstances are? That's important. When a relationship is a good relationship, when a person is loyal, don't compromise his principles, his values, and most important, whatever he is preaching, he must follow himself or herself. That is the most important thing. Otherwise, this is just for cheap politician. This is just a play, like a cheap politician does. A person is loyal is most important. Everything will come on its own. Money, health, happiness, everything will come. But if love is not, then whatever comes has no value. There is no love in the heart. And why are you committed? Why are you taking everything as granted? Why are you destroying the life of others? So I am telling you that there is no hate to Sadia Khan, and whatever he is telling, he must be, I am telling you that must be with the truth, maintain truth, and whatever you are preaching, apply for yourself too. Be honest in your work, in your profession, because that profession giving you breads, and that profession, is your livelihood. So must be true. And if something wrong, don't manipulate. Just say sorry and move on. If you want to end your past, just say sorry. Just say it's my mistake. You are a human being. Everyone can make mistake. Just say sorry and move on. But if you will manipulate the facts, then this is just like, you have not learned from your mistake, and it means you will make mistake again. Yes, because you have not learned the lesson. So I am here, I have in my spirituality course also talk about what is actually relationship, what is meditation, awareness, present moment, relationship, fear, suffering, who am I? All these things, how to observe, or your wife, awareness, how to choicelessly be aware. Freedom from thoughts. all 24 videos, together 10 plus guided medicine videos. You can join this course. My WhatsApp number, I'm telling you, 9773529489. Give message on WhatsApp. You can message me on this, and also giving this number, on description. So you can join this course. Thank you very much.